Raise your hand up if you ever struggle with ordinary meetings. That's right, most of us do. And if you are living a corporate life, I know that you can easily sit all day in meetings and get nothing done. Meetings can create so many problems more than we think about, and not just because a lot of them are badly run, but also because they are not designed for decision making when variety of inputs are required. Look, those meetings might only work only if you need a little chit chat with people you like, or perhaps go through a project update. But that's it. If you need a variety of ideas from a variety of people, you need to start using workshops, especially those designed by facilitators. So what is a workshop? Well, it's a workshop is an environment created specifically for the group so they can do their work. And it's done in such a way that your contribution is visual, is seen by everyone. It makes everyone feel heard and seen. And this is how you get your stuff done.